Hello there. Have you wondered what sociologists refer to when they mention social norms? When they refer to how social norms shape our everyday behavior? Well, if you have a few minutes, then stick around while I explain the concept of social norms from a sociological perspective, with real-life examples and references, and in a doodle-style lecture. You won't regret it. Have you ever wondered why you sit quietly in a library, but shout freely at a football game? Why shaking hands feels normal, and eating with your hands might get you strange looks? These invisible rules that guide our behavior are called social norms, and in sociology, they're a big deal. Social norms are the unwritten rules of behavior accepted by a group or society. We learn them early on, follow them often, and sometimes we even break them in an act of rebellion. They're not laws, but they're powerful. They shape how we dress, talk, love, work, even how we grieve. Sociologists usually divide norms into folkways, mores, and taboos. Folkways, think everyday customs, like saying bless you when someone sneezes. Mores are more serious, linked to morality. Lying or cheating breaks mores. And taboos, these are the big no-nos. Incest, cannibalism. Violating taboos causes shock. The French sociologist Emile Durkheim believed norms were the glue of society. They keep social order and help us feel connected to each other. But when norms break down, like during rapid change, it can lead to a term he coined, which is anomie. It is a state of normlessness, confusion, and chaos, which can at its extreme lead to suicide. Norms aren't fixed, they evolve. Think about tattoos, for example. They were raw. Once a taboo, now they're trendy. As culture changes, so do the norms. And that's what makes studying them so fascinating. There may be different norms in different cultures, and there also may be global norms that most cultures share, like brushing one's teeth before bed. So next time you stand in line, say thank you, or lower your voice in public. Remember, you're following social norms. Invisible, powerful, and always shaping our lives. This is sociology in action, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, check out my video on what is sociology, which I will link here. And please like, comment, and subscribe for more sociology through Doodle lectures. See you next time.